this is going to be a not so comprehensive review of the Moment 18mm wide angle lens. What is up, you guys? It is your boy Matthew coming at you once again with another video. Hope you guys are doing well. Do have a switch up of videos for you guys today. As you know, this is a fashion based channel and we've kind of branched out into doing some vlogs. Shout out to the inspiration, the OG Casey Neistat. But when it comes to filming these newer videos and things of that nature, of course there is the tech involved. For vlogs, I don't really want to film on the big camera I'm shooting on with right now, but I want to keep something smaller and more quick and efficient like my phone. That being said, this is going to be a review on some new gear that's going to help continue this video. One thing about gear real quick, typically my mic would be plugged into my phone, but because I'm using my phone for this video, it's not. So please excuse the echoey audio just for this video. Let's get into it. This video is going to be broken down into 3 pieces: the why, the pricing, as well as samples taken with this lens. So let's get into part 1. So first things first, I feel like a lot of people were in the same boat as myself. We recently purchased the iPhone XR, and with the introduction of the 11, we really didn't feel the need to upgrade when our phone was working perfectly fine. Plus, that $500 jump is a bit too much in my personal opinion. Secondly, the yellow on the XR is so much better than the yellow on the iPhone 11. Last but not least, the main reason, the technical aspect of it, the iPhone 11 does have a secondary camera with a wide angle lens. Now here's where the Moment lens comes in. The primary camera seen here on the XR, as well as the primary camera on the iPhone 11, both shoot at an aperture of 1.8, which means it lets in a lot of light. That being said, on the iPhone 11, when you change focal lengths to the wide angle, that wide angle sensor shoots at an aperture of 2.4, and that lets in less light. With the Moment lens, by attaching it to the primary camera of my iPhone XR, it has a wider angle and still shoots at an aperture of 1.8. Let's get into the price. I purchased these during the Father's Day sale. I ended up getting the 1 lens starter set. So the case I got was the iPhone wallet case, so it does have that Horween leather strip on the back. The reason I got this is because I always carry emergency cash in my phone, and I do have a $20 bill on the inside right there. It also came with the cleaning pen, as well as the lens of choice. For me was the 18mm lens, and it came with a hook for the lens cap, which has a little cover on the back. This came to about $107 after using discounts, and I think it's a great deal compared to the $500 that you're paying to upgrade your entire phone. I also picked up an ND filter, the ND32 here, but that's for a different video. So moving on to the final portion of the video, these samples. I took these pictures and videos this morning on my morning run. The control here is that it was shot on the primary iPhone camera app, and there's no editing done to these images at all. I'll label them, check it out for yourself, and let me know what you guys think. So in conclusion, guys, for about $107, I think it's better to get these options rather than upgrading to a completely new phone. It gets the job done. The build quality on the case as well as the lens is impeccable, and I don't see it breaking down at any point in my time using it. If you enjoyed these tech videos or any other videos other than fashion content, please let me know down below, and I'd love to continue doing this stuff for you guys. If you enjoyed it, drop a like down below, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and turn on that bell notification icon so you know when I drop another video. It's been your boy Matthew. Take it easy, stay safe, peace.